me explain the identity operators is and is not in Python. You consider the Python statement a is equal to 10. So memory will be allocated like this. The content of the memory location is 10 and Python interpreter will give some address and variable a is pointing to this 10. So this is known as the address of the memory location, and if you want to get the address of a variable in Python, there is a function by the name id. So id within bracket a will give you the address of the variable. Now let me write another variable, maybe b is equal to 10. So b is also pointing to the same value 10. So please understand, Python will not create a different copy of 10. For small integers, the same copy is used. So b is pointing to the same memory location 10. So the address of b is the same as that of a. So if I write one more example, maybe C is equal to B. So 1 equal to sign is the assignment operator. Right hand side will be assigned to left hand side. So C also contains the value 10. And I told you for small integers, different copy of 10 will not be created. C is pointing to the same memory location 10. So the address of A, B and C, they are the same. So the comparison operator equal to checks whether the values of two variables are same or not. So comparison operator equal to, if the value of A and value of B are same, this will be executed. So you can see the values are the same. So you get the answer, the values are the same. If you want to compare the identity of variables, address of variables, we use the identity operator is. For example, if I write if A is B, what the identity operator is does is, if the address of A and address of B, if they are same, this will be executed, and if they are different, this will be executed. And here you can see A, B and C, they have the same address. They have the same address, so it returns the answer. The addresses are the same. Now suppose if I write maybe A, B, C, D is equal to 8 plus 2. And you can see that 8 plus 2 is 10. For small integers, the same copy will be made use of. Python will not create a different copy of 10. So D also points to the same memory location. The value and address of A, B, C, D, they are the same. So you can see, if I write A equal to D, the values are the same. If I write A is D, the addresses are also the same. So you can see the values are the same, the addresses are the same. But for big integers, this is not the case. For example, if I write E is equal to a big integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Then in the computer's memory, the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 will be stored, and some address will be given by Python interpreter, and E is pointing to this value. Okay. Now suppose if I write F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 89 plus 1. The value is the same, but their memory locations, the addresses are different. You can see F is pointing to a different memory location. So for big integers, the same value will not be used. A copy of the value in another memory location will be created. So you can see that if I type E equal to F, E equal to F, you can see the values are the same. This value and this value, they are the same. But if I make use of is, the addresses are different. The addresses are different. Let me copy paste. So here, if I write E is F. Now for variable E and variable F, the addresses are different. So here the answer will be the addresses are different. So you can see the values are the same, the addresses are different. So my point is the identity operator is checks whether the addresses of two variables are the same or not, and equal to is the comparison operator. It checks whether the values of two variables are same or not. Is not, so if I make use of is not here, so here the addresses are different. The addresses are different. So here is not returns the answer true because addresses are different. So here I should write the addresses are different. Otherwise I can write the addresses are same. So if I make use of is not, what it does is if the address of E and address of F, if they are different, is not returns true, otherwise false. So you can see. So the values are the same, the addresses are different.